Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in my dining nook and this is kind of like the next little space in the house that I'm gonna be working on. And I wanted to just give you an idea of my thoughts and what my plans are for this little space. It's just a little nook, but I feel like it has a lot of potential to be kind of like a statement piece in this open living area. So I thought I would take you guys through like my little design plan for this area and show you what it looks like now before I get started working on it. If you're new here, my name's Holly and I post about homemaking, decorating, and motherhood. So if any of that is interesting to you, feel free to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos. And you can also follow me over on Instagram at hollyhomebody_. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so this is my dining nook right now, and I will insert a picture of what it looked like when we bought the house. The walls, I believe, were gray, and then this wall off to the side by the fireplace was like a greenish color. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to back away and just kind of show you the whole space and like how the little dining nook like fits in with the space. So it's kind of just tucked back here in the corner, and this wall here comes out a little ways from this one. I just felt like it needed something there to kind of, I don't know, make it stand out more. So the main thing that I got for this area is this wallpaper. This is from Anthropologie. This is a sample of what it looks like. And Anthropologie sends they'll send a free wallpaper sample if you're interested in any of theirs. They have some really, really beautiful choices. But this one I saw on Instagram. I'll insert a photo, the one that I saw. And I saw it a long time ago and I just fell in love with it, and I saved the picture because every time I saw that picture, I just loved it. The girl on Instagram that I saw had it in her kitchen actually, but I was like, I would really love to find a place for this in this house. I mean, it would also look beautiful, I think, in a bedroom or a bathroom, but we're kind of doing those areas of the house last. So yeah, I got 2 rolls of this, and I'm gonna be putting this right here behind the table on this wall is like an accent wall. So I just really think that's gonna look so pretty. I hope it turns out like I'm picturing. But I love that it's, you know, it's neutral. It's not like any crazy colors or anything, but it's this really beautiful floral pattern. And if you look up close, it's kind of grainy, like it kind of has a vintage type of feel to it. I just love it. So yeah, that'll be going here. I'm a little nervous. I have wallpapered before. If you guys remember, in the old house, I wallpapered our entire foyer, and that was a job. That was a much bigger job than this will be, but I'm still a little nervous about going around this window. If it was just a blank wall, I wouldn't be nervous about it at all. But going around, wallpapering around stuff is tricky. And this isn't like the peel and stick wallpaper, it's real wallpaper. So I don't know, thankfully my mom said she would help me again like she did in the foyer. But so other plans that I have is I wanna change out this light fixture, and we actually have the light fixture right here. That's what these boxes are. These 2 are for over the kitchen island, and this one is the chandelier that'll be going here. And I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. It's kind of a beaded, like wooden style chandelier, and it's kind of a knockoff for the Malibu chandelier from Serena and Lily. Serena and Lily is like my favorite store if it was in my budget. Their version of the chandelier is, if I remember right, it's like $1,200, $1,300. But yeah, I found this little knockoff one, and I still think it like has the same type of feel. So that's what I'm gonna be putting there instead of this one. And like I said, we're changing out these lights too, but just focusing on the dining nook right now. So yeah, wallpaper, chandelier. I also wanna change out these chairs. These are metal, kind of like rustic. To me, I think of like a rustic modern farmhouse type of chair, and I just don't really feel like they go with this more like traditional pedestal table, but they are indoor-outdoor chairs. So I think I will hang on to them because we're probably gonna be getting a smaller patio table for our back patio, and we can just use those out there. That's kind of my plan. But I'd like to change these out for just wooden Windsor style chairs like the one that I'll insert a picture of right now. But I still want to keep them white. I like the white chairs. And that's kind of the main stuff. We'll also hang a black curtain rod and white curtains here so that that will be cohesive with the rest of the room, because we have white curtains, black curtain rods up over on that side too. And then another thing that I already did, which you can't see because of all these boxes, is I hung this gallery wall with family pictures. I'll put in a picture here of what this looks like when it's not covered in boxes. But we had this at our old house too, in the kitchen, if you guys remember. I still really love it, so I put that there. And I think like the colors of black and white pictures are gonna look really pretty with that wallpaper, which is kind of like the grayscale. One thing that I had thought about before we moved in was doing a banquette seat here, like a bench. There are a lot of DIY tutorials and things online for that, but once we moved in and like got our table and chairs here and just started using it, we realized that we didn't want to add anything else coming out of the wall because it is such a small little table or little dining space. And you know, we want it to be easy to get in and out. And if you clutter it up too much, I think that's gonna be, it's just gonna start to feel too cluttered and too like difficult to get in and out. Anyway, that is the plan. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure that you're subscribed, and you can also click the bell notification if you'd like to be notified every time I post so that you don't miss anything as I get working on this. And I'll also be posting little updates as I go over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me over there yet, it's at HollyHomebody_, and I'd love to see you over there. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.